Good morning. Today we're going to go ahead and look at two different things. First of all, we're going to find x, and then we're going to figure out what is the measure of each angle. A fancy way of saying how many degrees are in each of these three angles. Well, because it's a triangle, I remember that there are 180 degrees in every triangle, so these have to add up. So I see that this angle measures 2 times x, plus the second angle down here measures 4 times x, plus this is a right angle, and right angles always measure 90 degrees. So 180 equals, now I'm going to combine some terms, 2x's plus 4x's makes 6x's. This doesn't have an x term, so it has to stay by itself. We know how to solve this problem. Okay, we're going to, first of all, we have a multiplication and an addition. We undo the addition first, so we subtract 90 from each side. 180 minus 90 equals 90. 90 minus 90, it's gone. It leaves me with simply the 6 times x term. The opposite of multiplying by 6 is to divide by 6, so I'm left with x. Okay, 90 divided by 6 is 15. So each x equals 15. I've done the first part. Now I have to find the measure of each angle. So this one is 2 times 15. This angle is a 30-degree angle. This angle is 4 times 15. So this becomes a 60-degree angle, and I've now labeled all of my angles in that one. Okay, we're going to move on to this second problem. So again, it's a triangle. It still has 3 angles, and those 3 angles still add up to 180. So we've got 2x plus 15 plus x plus the third angle of 5x plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to begin combining my terms. 2x plus x is 3x. 3x plus 5x adds up to 8 times x. Those are the x terms, the variable terms. The non-variable terms, the constant, are 15 plus 5, and they add to 20, and it still totals 180. And to solve this two-step equation, I see that we've got 8 times x, and we've got a 20. We've got a constant term and a variable term. I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides first, so I'm left with 160. 20 minus 20, this term is gone, leaving me with simply 8 times x. To undo multiplying by 8, I'm going to divide both sides by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times x leaves me with simply x. 160 divided by 8 tells me that x equals 20. So this angle right up here in the corner, this very small angle, is 20 degrees. That one was pretty easy. This angle, it's 2 times 20 plus 15, so it is 40 plus 15. Adding those, this is a 55-degree angle. Okay, this last angle, it would be 5 times 20 plus 5. 5 times 20 is 100 plus 5. This angle would be 105 degrees, which makes sense. This angle is the largest. This angle is slightly more than a 90-degree angle, so we've now got 105 degrees. We could quickly add these up. See, 55 plus 105 makes 160. 160 plus 20 makes 80. That adds up. Let's come back over here. 90 plus 30 is 120. 120 plus 60 is 180. So I think we've answered the entire question. We just double-checked. This one does add to 180. X is 15, and I know the measures of all 3 angles. X is 20. I've got a 105-degree angle, a 55-degree angle, and a 20-degree angle.